first occurred, it was probably 10 years ago. My granddaughter said something to me to come up to her room. So I went up to her room, she opened her closet door, and I said, well, where's the magic carpet? And she said, I didn't say magic carpet. I said, you want to see my messy closet? So then my daughter, I'm sure she'd been noticing my hearing issues before, and so she got me an appointment out in Colorado with a hearing doctor. Well, it improved things quite a bit because then I could hear somewhat better. A friend of mine, actually my wife belongs to an art association, art studio. We had a get together, and one of Dr. Meg's patients happened to mention about hearing. I probably saw her hearing aids, and so we talked about hearing aids, and she recommended Dr. Meg. I wanted batteries, so camping or offshore sailing, and I wanted to be able to use the hearing aids, and not run out of power. Well, these are dramatically improved. Not only improves my hearing, especially at the high range. A huge improvement is the ability to stream. So I stream from my phone, I can stream with a little device from the TV. They're very easy to work with and responsive to problems. Another thing that Dr. Meg does is she posts information about hearing loss, effect of hearing on the brain, and all that. So that's been very informative to me. So all of that stuff, and all her office staff is always really great.